Dawn in Sparta is not a beginning, it is a command. The horn sounds before the sun breaches the mountains, and you rise from hard earth with bones still aching from yesterday's trials. You were taken from your mother at 7, not as a child, but as a recruit. The Agoge does not raise boys, it forges weapons. The trainers, the paidonomoi, do not shout, they break you in silence. Bare feet pound across jagged stones until you feel skin tear. Blood and dust become the same color. The whip doesn't strike as punishment, it sculpts. Here, pain isn't an obstacle, it's the first lesson of strength. At night, the flames of the campfire reveal more than they warm. Boys your age speak in low murmurs of glory, death, and the hope of returning home as men. Hunger claws at your stomach, but complaining is a luxury the weak can't afford. In these shadows, brotherhood is not chosen, it is beaten into you. Before Artemis Orthia's altar, the test begins. Elders watch, citizens watch, the gods watch. The lash cuts deep, not for guilt, but for judgment. No cries, no flinching. Blood runs down your back like a river, but still you stand. In Sparta, pain isn't survived, it is offered. A boy is caught stealing food. His mistake was not hunger, it was being seen. The blows that follow are sharp, swift, and public. Here, theft is strategy, discovery is failure. A Spartan must take what he needs and remain a whisper in the shadows. Night comes without comfort. You are sent into the wilderness, alone. No cloak, no bread, no fire, only the cold and the dark. Wolves prowl the hills, and hunger makes the world sharpen into instinct. You do not pray, you do not hope, you endure. When the sun rises again, you return, scarred, starving, but standing. The elders do not praise you, they simply nod once. The boy who entered the Agoge has vanished. What remains is iron wrapped in flesh, a blade waiting for war. If you want to step deeper into history, subscribe to POV of the past, where every story puts you inside the moment. Your path leads to shield, spear, and battlefield. But Sparta is not the only world forged in fire. Next you will cross the sea, into the wrath of another warrior people. Stay with us as the saga continues in POV, a Viking raid on the English coast.